Is my screen visible?
Yes, visible.
Okay. Okay. So a great evening to all of you. And today we are here to discuss how to master social interaction and taking the very initial step. Before moving ahead, I would like you to do a small exercise. If both of you can switch on your video if possible, if not, it is okay. For all the participants, I would request you to close your eyes and imagine that you are entering a seminar hall. Okay. And it is full of people. You don't know anyone, and anyone from the crowd is not aware who you are. सब अनजान है, सभी के लिए आप भी अनजान हो, आप भी सभी के लिए nobody knows you. The only thing you know about why that event is, why that gathering is, and what is the professional background domain of all the people gathered here. पहला ही कदम रखा है आपने हॉल में, and most of them are involved in to some of the conversation, someone standing alone. इस तरह का कुछ माहौल है. And you have to start communicating, you have to start approaching. At that moment of time, what you are exactly feeling, that I want you to feel. In the recent past, you may have come across any such situation in the last week, in the last month, whenever it happened. कैसा लगता है जब हम एंटर करते हैं किसी ऐसे सेटअप में, ऐसी मीटिंग में, ऐसी गैदरिंग में, एंड व्हेन वी हैव टू स्टार्ट, everybody is on the same page. Come out of that imagination, those of you who were there from the start. That feeling, can I have some of the responses in the chat box, please? Magna says yes. Is everybody is with me, or do I have to repeat this exercise again? Yes, Pinaki says, Jignesh says yes, everybody is with me. Yeah, okay, Monica is feeling low. Okay. Okay. At that moment, how we are feeling, and I want you to hold the thought process, the thinking you are having with you at that moment. जब हमने enter करा वो event, कैसा हमें लग रहा है, we have to start, and we will discuss later what we have to do, the simple thing, but hold on your thought, your emotion at that moment. Those for whom I am new, hello, I am CA Kalpana Thakur, Chartered Accountant by profession, motivational speaker, corporate trainer by passion. I help people achieving their maximum potential and living a fulfilling life, specifically through soft skill. Now, the why. क्यों है यहाँ पे, including me, 9 of us are here. And why you want to have that skill to connect with the people. Why you felt like it is important to have that skill. Can I have some answers in the chat box, or if you would like to unmute yourself and speak?
Yeah, for me, it is to increase my friend circle.
Increase your
Friend circle of
friend
known
circle.
people.
Yes, great. Thank you. Anyone else?
To learn and increase my knowledge about stuff.
Yes. Okay. Anyone else? Today we are having a session on connecting with the people. So all of us, those are here in the room, I would urge, if possible, keep your video on. In fact, in this virtual meeting, to the extent possible, we will feel connected. Thank you so much, Monica. Thank you so much, Mangaji. Utkarsh, thank you. We humans are social animal. First of all, there is a personal need, right? As rightly mentioned by Pinaki, have that personal connect, right? We need someone to hear us. कोई हमें समझे, how we are feeling, what we need, right? In the community, in our family, in our friend group, we want someone around. We are not that, वो कहते हैं ना, हम अकेले जीने वाले लोग नहीं है. For on personal front, that is the reasons we want people around us. There is a very famous book by Gail Porter, Your Network is Your Net Worth. We will discuss a little bit more about it in the coming part of our discussion. Here, I would like to mention about the 6 degrees of separation by the very famous author. It was done in the year, it was first introduced in the year 1929. And as per his theory, what he claims that in this world, you pick any person to reach to, we only need 5 layers of people. Say, for example, Prime Minister of India, respected Narendra Modi ji, if we want to reach to him, we want related to the people to him, 5 logo ke through, we will be able to get connected with that person. When we talk about any business, any product, any service, and its success, it is not a journey of a single person alone. You all will agree to it. From the scratch till the success, till the victory of any journey, there are many people involved in that journey. There is a collaboration, there is a support, there is a merger, and so many things that happen. एक से भले दो, दो से भले चार, right? अकेले, वो कहते हैं ना, there is a very famous dialogue from the movie Nayak, Anil Kapoor. So that dialogue is, अंगूर, आप आम से अंगूर हो गए और ये एक अंगूर अगर अकेला रह गया तो कुचला जाएगा. So you have to be in groups. And it is my personal experience, and I'm sure all of us are having that experience, that you pick any profession, any domain, to grow and sustain, we have to collaborate with people, we have to network with the people. Yes or no? Do let me know in the chat box if you are having the same thought. Yes. Utkarsh is saying yes. +1. That is the need. We have to connect with the people, not only on the personal front, but on professional front as well. If you have gone through my flyer, I have mentioned about 30 days journey. And today is not something कि after the end of the session we will be expert of networking. Today is the first start of the journey. But if you have that willpower, that need and urgency within you, that yes, this is the skill I want to master, we will discuss more about it at the end of our discussion. But now, few of the basic steps that I would like you to notice and to follow to start your journey of networking and connecting with the people. On a personal note, I would like to mention incident which actually given me the feeling and the thought to come up with the session last week. I've been into Startup Sphere 2024 organized by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in Bangalore. I've been there in the session for 2 days. I went there because I was judging a pitch deck competition of a CA student. To my surprise, Kalpana, which is into public speaking, helping people on polishing their communication skill, killing the fear of public speaking. At the initial few hours, I must say, I was having that hesitation within me to start the conversation. And that is there. This session is, and the whole lot of research and experiment I'm doing from last week. I will talk about few of the things I've noticed in this journey of knowing more about how we socialize, how we connect about it. But that is specifically my why to come up with the topic, because if we felt like someone who is there in the journey and specifically working on this area found it little difficult at the start at the new place, to gel and to start the interaction, there will be many people in the community who need help and discussion specifically on this point. So first and foremost, at the start of our discussion, I've taken you to a hall, a seminar hall. वहां पे हम गेट पे खड़े हैं. And here, a very important point I would like to bring into your notice is sense of belongingness. This is my personal take that before starting interacting, before being in that session, in that gathering, we must have the sense of belongingness. Can I have few answers on what is your take on sense of belongingness? क्या समझते हैं आप sense of belongingness के बारे में? Let's take an example of this session, 14 of us. What do you understand of being here, belonging to this session? Any one of you? Connected? Yes. Pinaki says connected. Anyone else? You are here in the session. You have read about the title of the topic. Yes, it is about making the connection, making the network from stranger to friend. And this is something I want to work upon. That's the reason you are here. हम जो बात कर रहे हैं हमारे एग्जाम्पल में, आप उस क्रिएटिंग इंटरेस्ट, यस संजय से एग्जैक्टली, हम जो उस सेमिनार हॉल के गेट पर खड़े हैं, and as I mentioned, we know why that session is and the professional background of the people we know. In my last week example, I have mentioned about Startup Sphere. Here, my sense of belongingness is, yes, Startup Sphere, it is the place where fellow chartered accountants and other professionals and entrepreneurs will come and showcase their product and services. Plus, there will be discussion around the theme of startup. And there is so much to learn as a chartered accountant. That is the feeling of belongingness. कि मैं जहां जा रही हूं, yes, that is the place I want to be at that moment. And why it is needed? हम जहां जा रहे हैं, जिस भी event में, और this session for that matter, you are belonging to this, it is going to make sense. It is going to add value to your knowledge, to your time. It is important. Why? Why it is important? कोई मुझे इस बात का आंसर देगा? ये जरूर. It is my opinion that it is very important to have, to start that journey of interacting with the people. I request your maximum participation, because connection with the speaker, connection with me, and between us. Let's take the first step from here itself. Okay, I'm having the answer in the chat box. When you start the interaction, you create comfortability. Okay. Okay, yes. One more answer. I exist because people exist in my life. Yes. Here I'll give you two short example. Today I am from Faridabad. There is a session on GST in Faridabad branch of NIRC. Okay. And let's take an example that someone who is practicing hardcore in Ministry of Corporate Affairs ROC compliances. And if that person going to that event with the feeling that this topic is not my practice area, why I am going, it will not add value, any value to my experience, it is not going to help. This is not the feeling of belongingness. With this feeling, that particular person will not going to gel with the people in that seminar. How many of you agree to this thought? Because I myself has experienced this thought process, not having the sense of belongingness. जब हम ऐसा सोच कर जाते हैं कि क्या तो हम जा रहे हैं, maybe this is the mandatory requirement, that's why I'm going. You trust me, you will not be able to connect with anybody wherever you are going. वो कहते हैं ना, एक तो हमने अभी that 5-layer experiment की बात करी. Everything is interconnected with everything. हर चीज से, हर वो 3 इडियट का डायलॉग है, हर तरफ ज्ञान बट रहा है, जितना चाहे समेट लो. So have that feeling, that attitude, learning attitude in yourself, कि there is something to learn everywhere. And with that feeling, वो कहते हैं ना, curiosity, attend every session, every gathering. And that is having the sense of belongingness. I feel like, and you will all agree to it, I saw some of the responses in the chat box, that it is important. Moving ahead. अब हमने बात कर ली belongingness की. अब हम खड़े हैं उस सेमिनार हॉल में, हमने जस्ट एंटर करा है. And the first thing, which is, we have not spoken even a word. Here, when I talk about body language, I am talking about our body language. How we are appearing. As per Albert rule, and I have mentioned many of time in my previous session, हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, it only matters 7%. What our body language is, that is important. So कैसे हम जा रहे हैं, whether there is a smile on my face or not, and that if I'm talking about the smile, not a fake smile. So can I have some one volunteer from all of you to mention कि कैसा होना चाहिए? You have the slide in front of you. Let's make it interactive, because 2-3 things we are going to discuss today, not much. So let's have an interactive session. That who is going to volunteer? Please raise your hand and first tell me कि अब आप जा रहे हो, इस पर्सपेक्टिव से देखो कि you have entered this hall and someone who is observing you, who will approach, or you will approach that person. For that, what should, how your body language is, and किससे आपको बात करने का मन करेगा if anyone will approach you. Any volunteer? बहुत ही बोरिंग जा रहा है क्या हमारा सेशन? बीच में कुछ गाना वाना बजाना पड़ेगा.
I would say someone with whom I feel comfortable with.
Someone with whom you feel comfortable. तो वो आप कैसे जज करोगे कि आप कंफर्टेबल हो बॉडी लैंग्वेज से? उत्कर्ष कैन वॉलंटियर. यस उत्कर्ष.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, so how in a gathering, how you judge, how you see, वो कहते हैं ना बुक कि पहले हम कवर से जज करते हैं कि with whom we should talk and with whom we cannot, what you will see.
The person, actually, the person who is easily approachable and in a lighter mood will definitely the more comfortable way to start the conversation with.
Yes, lighter mood, smile on the face, positive body language, energetic, मतलब सीधे खड़े हैं, eye contact जो है वो हो रही है सबसे. और we must have encountered, या फिर कभी हमने ही खुद को ऐसे पाया होगा. Let's take an example कि thank you Utkarsh, you would like to add something to it, something further?
No, ma'am. That's
Okay.
all.
Thank you so much. So we must have encountered this. स्कूल वाला दिन हमें अगर याद है, कभी मैम ने या हमारे टीचर ने कोई क्वेश्चन इफ दे वुड हैव आस्क्ड अस, और अगर हमें आंसर नहीं पता तो हमारी आंखें, इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू लुक एट देयर आईज, हम यहाँ वहां देखने लगते हैं, है ना? सो व्हेन we are entering into the room, that having smile on the face, and smile not the fake one, the one I've mentioned before, the real one, which is actually reaching up to your eyes, and how we move. There is, एक तो वो हो गया वो hastiness में जल्दी जल्दी movement, हम वो कहते हैं ना how we walk, how our hand movements are, that grace, whether it is having or not, वो कहते हैं ना एक a beautiful personality, a approachable personality, and the first and foremost thing is the smile on the face and the eye contact. Eye contact is very important. There is a slide when we will move ahead, and I will share my personal experience on it. Positive body language, एक हमें सभी को पता है, crossed arm should not be there. I've mentioned hand movements हमारे कैसे होने चाहिए, with full attention and awareness. It should not be hasty. अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, when we'll start conversing, when we'll start speaking, in a hurry or hasty voice tone is not a reflection of confidence. So those are the few basic things we have to keep in mind. And this will help when we will approach people, they will feel like talking with us. There were days in my life, if you have been there in the session of from nervous to natural, I'm attending the session, but the qualities which I'm mentioning, those were not there. I hope I'm clear, the basic thing. So your body language, हम जा रहे हैं तो are we in a mode of receiving and sharing? Then the next step comes, अब बात कर ली, चलो सब ठीक है, स्माइल भी कर रहे हैं, आई कांटेक्ट भी है, वी हैव पॉजिटिव बॉडी लैंग्वेज, वॉइस पे भी वी आर अवेयर, हैंड जेस्चर्स भी. अब हम अप्रोच कैसे करें, स्टार्ट कैसे करें कन्वर्सेशन, द फियर ऑफ अप्रोचिंग पीपल. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू, I want the honest answer, are having that initial fear of approaching? As I have mentioned, I was having initial few hours in my Bangalore startup sphere visit. How many of us are having that initial fear? No one is having the fear. Okay. Maybe you guys are not ready to share. कोई बात नहीं. अब यहाँ पे वही वाला डायलॉग फिट होता है, सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग, हम कैसे दिख रहे हैं. सबसे पहली बात तो here I would like to mention about our dressing. Dress how you want to be addressed. सबसे पहले सामने वाला बंदा, how he is looking at me, how he will perceive me, before that I see Kalpana Thakur, how I perceive myself, मैं खुद को कैसे देख रही हूँ for that particular event. I am dressed properly, professionally. What it will do? Is it important or not important? कि कैजुअल कपड़ों में भी मैं चली जाऊंगी, it will not make any difference in my confidence. There are answer in the chat box. Okay, so the hesitation part, there are answer. Okay, thank you so much for sharing. So here dressing part पे हम बात कर रहे हैं. Can I have your answer? वो जो हम फील कर रहे हैं वो fear, that inferiority which happens with us most of the time at the start. और वो कब होगा? ये होता है, मेरे साथ बहुत बारी हो चुका है, आप लोगों के साथ, आई एम श्योर आप लोगों के साथ भी हुआ होगा. when we feel like we are not dressed properly or if we are not looking great, it diminishes our confidence level substantially. Depends on the situation. Dressing definitely matters. True. Yes, definite. At the start, this is very important. Ki if I'll approach the way I have mentioned, that fear, how people will think about myself. If I'm not, वो कहते हैं ना, एक odd man out वाली feeling भी आने लगती है. If we feel like we are not dressed as per the event. Here, to tackle this thing, again, we have to start with our mindset. हमने belongingness की बात कर ली, हमने body language की बात कर ली, हमने dressing की बात कर ली. उसके बाद जो important है, that is mindset. क्या हम feel कर रहे हैं at that moment? And here I would like to mention a fact which I am always mentioning, the importance of practice. हम आज बहुत, let's take an example, the things which we are discussing right now. After that, and read many books on the networking and how to interact with the people. सारी videos भी देख लीजिए. Will that everything put together will help you to excel in your networking skill? वो कैसे होगा? That will happen with the practice. Small steps. कैसे हम लेंगे, थोड़ी सी हम उसके ऊपर भी बात करेंगे, but that is needed. And here, coming back to that fear point, a simple step, if you will follow, it will help, is thinking about not our own self. ये समझना है कि भाई ये जो इवेंट है ना, इसमें जितने भी लोग हैं उनको कंफर्टेबल फील कराने का दाम, वो क्या कहते हैं, सारा दारोमदार मेरे ही सर पे है. आई एम नॉट लुकिंग फॉर माई कंफर्ट, आई एम हियर फॉर द कंफर्ट ऑफ द पीपल अराउंड मी. दैट गिवर माइंडसेट. How many of you will agree to the fact, are agreeing to the fact, is changing the mindset from fear to winner or victim to winner is in our hand, and that is working on our mindset. And this will come slowly with the help of practice. Yes, action and practice. And wearing shoes or chappal does make a difference. Yes, Pinaki mentions on the dressing. Yes, yes. And the mindset of a winner. वो कहते हैं ना, हम उन लोगों में से हैं जहां पे जाते हैं वहां पे समा बंध जाता है। ऐसा एटीट्यूड हमें लेकर जाना है। After 6 p.m. today, wherever we'll go, not only in the प्रोफेशनल गैदरिंग, हम जहां भी जाएंगे, पड़ोस में जाएंगे, पार्टी में जाएंगे, मेट्रो में जाएंगे, बस में जाएंगे, बस हमसे समा बंधने ही वाला है। वो है ना, ऐसी फीलिंग लोगों को आनी चाहिए कि आप आए और बाहर आए। ऐसा माइंडसेट हमारा होना ही चाहिए। सो आई कैन सी लाफ ऑन द उत्कर्ष फेस। दैट इज ट्रू। Nobody is going to celebrate you unless and until you will not celebrate your own self. पहले कल्पना तो बिलीव कर ले कि ये जहां जाती है वहां समा बंध जाता है, तभी रेस्ट ऑफ यू विल बिलीव। यस और नो? तो यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन माइंडसेट। कहोगे हर सेशन में बस एक ही बात पे, एक ही चीज पे बात अटक जाती है, माइंडसेट। यस, इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, योर माइंडसेट। नजर की मैंने बात करी थी, बिलोंगिंगनेस हो गया, बॉडी लैंग्वेज हो गया, फियर की भी बात हमने कर ली। अब अप्रोच कैसे करें, किसे बात करनी है, हाउ यू विल सर्च, स्कैन, कहाँ पे हो सकता है starting conversation. So I'll stop screen sharing. So can I have some exchange of ideas कि आप लोगों की क्या थॉट प्रोसेस है कि कैसे होनी चाहिए बात शुरू, कहाँ पे हम वो, which is the person in the meeting, in that gathering, from where I can start. I have few of the answer in the chat box. Spot uncomfortable. Utkarsh is saying spot good. So making that person comfortable, yes, it can be. Okay. Anyone else? कहाँ से आप शुरू करना? Start with something common. Great. Some common grounds to start the discussion. Okay, 2 answers we have. Anyone else? We have 17 people including me, only 2 responses. आप कैसे start करेंगे session, discussion को? Hi, Sunita says, hi, yes, how are you? Okay, great. But ये मतलब हम ढूंढेंगे, जैसे कि उत्कर्ष ने कहा, he will find the one who is most uncomfortable. So how you will search? After hearing your ideas, I will share mine, what I use. Which way is the washroom? Any idea? Okay. So, but here the person will say the way, and after that, don't you think, Pinaki, discussion will end? I would like to hear your thought, how it will continue.
नॉर्मली क्या होता है कि उनको पता नहीं होता कहाँ।
Okay.
So when say,
Okay, got your point.
yeah, so another point could be that you ask something very similar, like have you met earlier before, or have you ever been to this place, kind of thing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Pinaki. How I start? I scan. वो जो if you have gone through my slide, बस एक नजर चाहिए, आशिकी मूवी का एक गाना है, बस एक सनम चाहिए. I've replaced the sanam with nazar. So what I see the eye contact. वो when we gauge who is engrossed into the discussion, और जहाँ पे हमारे interruption का कोई scope नहीं है for that moment, and even some people are into the discussion but their eyes are moving around to have some more connection. This is my personal experience, and I start at the start. I'm starting with those people कि हाँ भाई, कि actually they are looking. So here I would like to give you an example. Yesterday I was traveling through metro, and with this awareness of networking, I was actually searching for the people in my commuting time. And at the end, I found a college girl. She was into her mobile, and I've asked, even though I was knowing कि कैसे जाना है मुझे, I want लोक कल्याण मार्ग मुझे जाना था, and I've asked her from where I have to change. Even though I have the Metro app installed in my phone, I was knowing it need to be changed from Central Secretariat. She said, she opened the map and she said, from Central Secretariat, you have to change. And after that, our discussion ended. Here, why I'm mentioning this, because that girl, I saw that fraction of a second eye contact. Rest of the people, I have a video clip for you. I've recorded while coming back to home. I found it difficult to start conversation except that girl. वो एक नजर वाली बात, वो ऐसा लगा कि here I can start the conversation, but it is not happened with the other. And the awareness about using the mobile phone, that I would like to talk at the end when we talk about human interaction. So for me, starting is having that eye contact, and as mentioned by Pinaki, finding the common grounds. Few of the more points I have mentioned, like I ask about the event. I introduce myself and I ask how you're finding the event, how you are here, or I'm asking, or you can ask what that person is doing. Like yesterday, I was into the Global Education Summit. So there were chancellor, dean, and director of the colleges. So I was asking about their position and from which institute they belong. And with few of them, the discussion went to the hometown and the favorite and the famous fruit of that area. So it happens how we start interacting, and here taking into mind, it will take practice, but not asking the close-ended question. जैसे हम पूछेंगे how are you, the other person will say I'm fine. So asking the question where we will have the opportunity to talk further. And there is a method where we should not be in an interview mode. हम question पे question पूछे जा रहे हैं. It should not be like that. We don't have to make the other person uncomfortable. Here we are talking about building a connection, building a rapport. So whatever they are sharing, we have to add something to it, share something about ourselves. In that way, we have to proceed. And there is a no set pattern and formula ki yahi start karo, yahi bolo. At that moment, what suits best, it needs our own personal judgment as well. ठीक है? And slowly and gradually, it will happen with practice. And to start with, if you're finding it too difficult, my methodology, introducing yourself with a handshake and asking about the other person, domain and designation and experience, and how they are finding. Event में कुछ हो रहा है, उसके बारे में you can ask, you can share your experience, thought, और वहां से discussion will proceed further. ठीक है, अब बात भी कर ली, चलो थोड़ा बहुत हमें समझ आ गया कि कैसे स्टार्ट करना है. Not too much, but a little bit of it. One thing, एक बंदे से बात करके हम आगे जा रहे हैं, when we are moving ahead, how it should be. I've experienced this many a times, that people interact and someone known passes through, or they see someone known, they are leaving the conversation abruptly without leaving it on a positive note. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. We have to be careful. यहाँ पे we are not there. There is a not checklist we have to tick in कि हाँ इतने लोगों तक हम reach out कर पा रहे हैं. There is a connection we have to build, and that will not happen अगर वो कहते हैं ना, वो हमारे मैथिली में एक कहावत है, पूरा खीरा खा कर पेनी तित. आप लोगों को समझ नहीं आएगा. It is about cucumber. देसी कुकुम्बर जो होता है, we eat it full and at the end it is bitter. तो वो कहते हैं पूरा हमने इतनी मेहनत कर ली बॉडी लैंग्वेज से स्टार्ट करने पे, स्टार्ट भी कर लिया, कुछ बातें भी कर ली, और एंड इस तरह से करेंगे तो इट विल नॉट बी हेल्पफुल. पुट योरसेल्फ ऑन दैट पर्सन शूज कि कोई इस तरह से बीच में आपको इग्नोर करके if leaving that conversation, will you feel good? Will you have that feeling of importance? As per Dale Carnegie, the art of how to win friends and influence people, what he says, the gist of every chapter is we have to make the other people importance. हर इंसान के जीवन में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट व्यक्ति वो खुद होता है. मेरे जीवन की सबसे खास इंसान मैं खुद ही हूँ. तो how you will make me feel, that is very important for me. So similarly for you also, and for the other person with whom you are interacting, we have to leave that conversation on a positive note. अगर हमें जाना है for the next thing, or for the other, let's take an example. We are in a queue of in a buffet, we are in a queue, and we had our initial discussion, and we want to leave that queue. So please excuse me, it was nice meeting you. And then on a polite note, we have to leave. फिर से मौका मिला, then we will interact. We are having some responses in the chat box. Okay. Treating him in main character. Yes. These two, three things important I wanted to share. And very important thing, when I was hearing last week Simon Sinek, every time when we indulge into interaction, or when we post something, or when we speak on any topic, हमारा ये intention नहीं होना चाहिए that what we are getting. In your social interaction, in your gatherings, have the feeling that what you are bringing to the table. And it is very important, because that will decide the way you will behave, the way you will be perceived. Anybody is having any thought or experience to share on this? Yes. Taranji says, true givers gain. Yes. There is a quote saying, the whole universe will support you endlessly if you will support the world selflessly. Hum in this technology, and there is a time that everybody thinks about their own self, but hum kya lekar aa rahe hain? If I will take my example, if I'm going to any session, any gathering, the feeling of mine, and that's what the feeling I try to inculcate and have all the time, that every single minute people and the participants spent in my session, spent during interaction with me, they should get 100% of it. What you are contributing before having that, वो कहते हैं ना, मांगने वाले की जगह पे पहले आप दे क्या रहे हो, that you have to keep in mind. And that is where you have to start. And the bonus tip for today is unplug and reset. Before sharing this video, as I have mentioned at the start, can anyone tell me what do I mean by unplug and reset?
That the thing we already have, we have to start giving before assuming that what he or she will give us to me or someone else.
Yeah. Yes.
So we need to unplug, basically unplugging the old habits and reset ourselves to start giving, practice giving.
Yes, Utkarsh. Unplugging the old habit. And here, when I was researching about having that connection, that interaction, in-person interaction, not the interaction through this smartphone, I found some of the surprising facts and statistics. You people will surprise by knowing, beta, abhi aise nahi karo. Surprised by the fact that every individual who use a smartphone, they spend equal to 5 years and 4 months of their life on using the phone. On an average, close to 3 hours we spent on smartphone. एक दिन में हम कितनी बार क्लिक, टैप या स्वाइप करते हैं? Can you imagine? 2670 times. I'm sure that all of us are here put together will have thousands of connection on our social media. हमारे फोन के कांटेक्ट में, लिंक्डइन पे, फेसबुक पे, इंस्टाग्राम पे. And I've been VP membership of Toastmasters Club, and I was receiving call from the parents for asking the similar setup for their kids. And I was curious to know that what is happening. And they were sharing that they are normal at home, they speak, they know everything, but they are not opening up, not only in their academic setup. School, college में तो बोल नहीं रहे हैं, that is okay. Social gathering में, family gathering में, they are not opening their mouth, कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे. And one of the reason is this cell phone, जहाँ पे connection बनाना is just a few click away, few text messages, few emojis, that's it. अभी जो हमने सारी बात करी, nothing comes into picture. That verbal communication, oral, non-verbal communication, body language, eye contact, smile, sense of belongingness, nothing needed. Few clicks. How much time we are spending on this instead of, जब जरूरत है, this device is there to help us to connect with the people around, but it is actually working other way around. कि हर चीज में हमें यही चाहिए होता है connection के लिए. And why I'm telling this now, I would like to show you the video, and I'm very happy and feeling grateful this thought of having this anxiety, social anxiety when it comes to making the connection and networking, which came into my mind. And I was literally observing yesterday to and fro in the metro, and here is the video for you.
Doors will open on the left. Please mind the gap between the platform and the train.
अब इसको कर रही थी वैसे ऐसे ऐसे अरे
What is the observation?
Everyone was busy with their mobile.
Yes.
Every other person was busy with the mobile.
Yes. Yes. हम ऐसा अपनी जीवन को बना रहे हैं कि all the time, and I'm not claiming that I am the odd one here, that I am not indulged. अगर ये, that was the awareness yesterday. Either I used to watch any TED talk, or rarely I read books. That's what we do, or we chat, or we check our social media. Observing the people around and starting, as I have mentioned at the start, taking the small step. है ना? All of a sudden, 1000 लोगों की, 2000 लोगों की गैदरिंग में जाके we will master, we will start communicating, and वो कहते हैं ना, आप आए और समा बंद गया, वैसा नहीं होने वाला है. We have to be conscious, aware about our surroundings. घर में भी अगर हम हैं, so when we are communicating with the family member, with the friends, at that point of time also it happens that we constantly check our phone. So we have to come out of it and giving the importance of one-on-one conversation. वो कहते हैं ना, coming from text to talk. That awareness I want all of you to have from today itself. And with that is what I'm concluding. Can anyone like to summarize, and then we'll open the forum for Q&A? Any question and answer? Anyone is having? Utkarsh, will you summarize the steps, the basic steps which I have discussed?
Yeah, I'm sure. So the first thing that we have learned today was how to approach people in the if you are coming in an event or going in an event, then how would you particularly go and approach to a person who you want to like influence or start a communication with. So basically, the first thing that is important for you is the personality that you are holding, the posture you are maintaining, the smile, and definitely the aura that you're creating around yourself. The thing that you have said again and again was "aap aaye in sama ban gaya." That was the thing. When you go somewhere, when you go somewhere, you just try to make another person comfortable, not yourself making comfortable. The first step that you have to follow was the other person is comfortable while talking to you or while approaching it, while you were approaching to him. And in later section, we discuss about how the procedure, how to start communication. Because communication is not a single day practice. It would take some amount of practice and time. We have to invest more. The more we invest time on the practicing, that definitely it would be a more easy to establish a connection. Then we saw a video of the metro where we saw that everyone was very busy in their cell phones, and cell phone was the main reason why the interaction has become very low in our society, and everyone is just busy in somewhere in virtual world, moreover the real world, and that's why using cell phone should be the minimal and start conversation with the real life interaction is more emphasizing thing in the today's session.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Utkarsh, for summarizing. And as I've mentioned at the start of the session, today is the first day, and I would like to have the 30 days challenge with us to support and boost the confidence within us. I've created a WhatsApp group. What you have to do every day for 30 days. In 30 days, we have to reach out to 100 people, on an average 3 people daily, जिनको आप जानते नहीं हैं, पहचानते नहीं हैं, ना वो आपको पहचानते हैं, and you have to reach out to them. And you have to think where. It can be from a professional setup to a park to a public transport, and I'll make a Google sheet where you have to update it daily or as per your convenience. Trust me, the journey will be worth to have to master our personal interaction skill. I've shared the chat link in group link in the chat box. Okay, Sanjay ji is summarizing. Okay, want to meet new person, take initiative, talk about him, thank him at close. Yes. Short and crisp summary. Thank you, Sanjay ji. Any questions for the session so far? And
Yes, ma'am, I have a question.
I would love to have your feedback in the chat box. Yes, Utkarsh.
I have a question that usually we see that a group of people are already occupied in themselves. Actually, they have already enough people in the group and they're involved in themselves. So how can we reach into them and start the conversation?
So
Because it's not a one person thing, it's a all over group, introducing to a group.
yes. So in that scenario, what we have to do, immediately we don't have to be in the conversation and interrupt it. We have to observe. As Pinaki ji has mentioned, in one-on-one conversation, we have to found the common grounds. Here also apply, we have to found for a common ground. किसी के shoes, किसी के cloth हमारे से कुछ match हो रहा है क्या? या फिर someone from that group is gauging, like say for example, if a TV screen is there, कोई match चल रहा है, तो वहां पे कोई बार बार देख रहा है, just an example. And मौका हमें मिले तो we can start that okay, you are wearing this, we are wearing the same shoes, we like this brand, या फिर okay, you are interested in match. So we have to find that opportunity and the common ground. Discussion में कुछ ऐसा हो चल रहा है where we have something to add on. From there, we have to start. And again, it will take practice slowly and gradually. Maybe starting में ऐसा हो, you will not find that opportunity to connect, to speak up. ऐसा होगा. But it will not happen after 2 or 3 attempts. You will find the way to speak up. And here, one thing I would like to mention more, which I missed to mention, जब हम belongingness की बात कर रहे हैं, when we are into interaction, say for example, I have mentioned about the education summit yesterday organized by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. So having the knowledge of the topic, why people are gathered here, that is also important. I will tell that as a homework. Our homework in the sense of when do we have something to contribute to the discussion, है ना? अभी कुछ common चल रहा है, जैसे few days back India won the T20 Cup. Everybody was talking about it. I was a cricket fan, but अभी वैसा नहीं है. But अगर everywhere I was going, in a CA gathering, in a Toastmaster, everybody was talking about it. So knowing little bit aware about what is happening in the surrounding, knowing about जो आप इवेंट में जा रहे हैं उसका क्या थीम है, ऑर्गेनाइजर क्या है, उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है, दिस विल हेल्प यू टू हैव योर टॉपिक ऑफ डिस्कशन, नॉट ओनली टॉकिंग अबाउट द पीपल एंड यू, but knowing the surrounding, the environment. And when we discuss about conversation, having that conversation, keeping you aside, है ना? ये चीज मैंने मेंशन नहीं करी ड्यूरिंग द डिस्कशन की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, वी डोंट हैव टू कीप आवरसेल्फ कि बस हम अपने बारे में ही बोलने जा रहे हैं. एज आई हैव मेंशन, एवरीबॉडी, फॉर एवरीबॉडी दे आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पर्सन. सो हाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट themselves, that is also important. So I hope I have addressed your query.
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
The WhatsApp group link is here. So how many of you are in for that 30 days challenge? Show me by raise of hand. Okay, Monica, great. Monica is in, Sunita is in. Okay, we have 2 volunteers, Rajeshri and okay. So we have 4. Utkarsh is also. Tarjani ji says, we'll try for sure. We must try. And trust me, it is going to be adventurous journey of working on our, I will not say networking. I will skill on connecting with the people in person. From text to talk. Yes, I will name the group from text to talk. Yes, 30 days challenge from text to talk. Okay. So it's 5:59, 1 minute to go. Anybody? I've not seen any of the feedback. Okay, Sanjay ji has mentioned. Thank you, Kalpana. Really interesting. Thank you, Sanjay ji. Okay. Okay, then we are good to close, and all the very best to all of you for the 30 days journey. In that journey, the progress of that journey, I will keep sharing my learnings and some inputs to master the skill from text to talk. Okay, Utkarsh says need more session on the similar topic. Yes, Utkarsh, after the end of the 30 days, we will have an elaborated session, if possible in a 1 or 2 parts about this networking skill at the end of 30 days. At that point of time, those who are in the challenge, they will also have to share on the table. Okay. Okay, nice learning. Thank you, Renuka ji. Thank you so much. And with that, I hope all of you are there on the Art of Influence group. If not, it will take time. No worries. we will connect. Okay, with that, I'm closing today's session. Take care and keep connecting with the people through talk, not through text. Thank you so much.